You've been working hard, trying different online hustles, but deep down, nothing is moving. You're doing everything they told you to do, and yet the results never come. This is the hidden reason so many people fail. They pick a hustle that doesn't fit their skills, their time, or their reality, and it drains them, day after day, until the only thing they're building is frustration. You've felt it, the hours lost, the tutorials that promised success but left you more confused, the endless nights staring at a screen, wondering why it's not working for you, and the sick feeling when you see someone else's results, while you're still stuck at zero. That pressure builds fast, bills stacking up, dreams pushed further away, and with every failed attempt, a little more of your confidence slips. You start thinking, maybe you're the problem, maybe you're just not cut out for this. But if you keep forcing the wrong hustle, you know where it leads. You burn months on dead ends, your energy drops, and one day you're tempted to quit completely. Not because you couldn't win, but because you wasted too long on paths that were never built for you. That fear of worsening is real. Fear that the next hustle will be another letdown. Fear that you'll lose more time, more money, more belief in yourself. Fear that you'll never escape the cycle. But here's what most people never realize. The problem isn't that hustles don't work. It's that the right hustle for you has never been chosen. Think of it like this. A suit off the rack never fits quite right. Too long in one place, too tight in another. But when something is tailored to your size, everything feels easier. Online work is no different. Fit changes everything. And we proved it. We asked people why they failed at side hustles. Thousands of answers came back. The top reasons? Lack of proper training. Choosing a hustle that never matched their skills. No clear plan, just scattered steps. Fear of failure stopping them from trying fully. And a lack of consistency when early results didn't show. The numbers tell the story. Nearly 40% admitted they quit because they didn't know what to do next. Another 25% said they followed advice that never matched their strengths. 1 in 5 said fear of failing, fear of looking stupid, kept them frozen. And the rest? They tried, but couldn't stay consistent long enough to see results. That's the loop people are trapped in. Start with hype, get overwhelmed, lose consistency, quit. But when you run a plan that actually matches your edge, you break the loop. You see proof early. And proof changes everything. That's why we built the free guide below. Inside, it is a short quiz, 5 minutes. It measures the 4 levers that matter most. How fast you need cash, which skills you can deploy today, where you already have access to buyers, and how much repetition you can handle without quitting. Your answers route you to the one hustle that actually fits you, not a list, not 10 random options. One focused path, the exact starting plan that respects your reality. Because when you finally run a plan that fits, momentum shows up early. It looks like a reply you weren't expecting, a click that turns into a sale, a message that says, "Hey, this helped me." Those aren't accidents. They're proof you've stopped dragging the wrong wheel. Let me show you what that looks like in real life. Jen was a mom working evenings. She'd tried blogging, dropshipping, even crypto. Each one drained her time and gave her nothing back. She was ready to quit. But when she ran through the process, it pointed her towards something built around skills she already had. Within 2 weeks, she landed her first paying client. By month 2, she was earning more in the evenings than she did at her part-time job. Drew had a background in fitness, but he kept failing at hustles that never matched who he was. When he took the quiz, it routed him into a lane where he could teach what he already knew. He built a small audience, packaged his expertise, and finally saw his first steady stream of online income. 90 days in, his phone buzzed with sales every week. And Maria? She worked full-time in customer service. She thought she didn't have time for a hustle, but the quiz mapped her to a lane that needed just 30 focused minutes a day. Her first week brought a small proof signal, a reply that turned into her first sale. That one notification shattered the belief that nothing ever worked, and it lit a fire she hadn't felt in years. Or look at Alex. He tried 3 different hustles in 1 year. A YouTube channel, a Shopify store, a course. All stalled. When he finally took the quiz, he realized he had been chasing hustles that didn't match his limited time. He shifted to a model built on short, repeatable actions. And within 45 days, he saw his first consistent income online. Then there's Priya. She had skills in design, but never believed people would pay for them. Every time she tried to launch, fear pulled her back. When she took the quiz, it placed her on a track where she could deliver small wins quickly. She sent out her first offer, and when the payment came through, she cried. Not because of the money, but because it proved she wasn't broken. That one proof gave her the confidence to keep going. And James. He had always dreamed of starting something online, but felt buried under debt. He believed he couldn't move forward without big capital. The quiz showed him he didn't need that. He needed a lane where proof was fast and upfront. Within 3 weeks, he saw his first recurring income. Small at first, but enough to change his belief from impossible to this is real. Different people, different stories, one common truth. Momentum only came when the hustle finally fit their life. And that's what the guide gives you. A way to stop guessing, a way to cut through the noise, and a way to finally see results you can trust. So here's the choice you're facing right now. You can keep gambling on random hustles, keep spinning in circles, keep stacking up wasted months. Or you can take 5 minutes, download the free guide, run the quiz, and follow the exact plan it gives you. 30 days from now, you'll be able to point at real proof, not hype, not fake screenshots, your own results. You'll feel clarity replacing noise, momentum replacing doubt, and belief replacing fear. You don't need luck, you don't need permission, you just need fit. And fit starts with the quiz inside the free guide. So here's what to do. Download the free guide below, take the 5-minute quiz, get your lane, follow the plan, and collect your first undeniable proof this month. Because this time, you're not trying harder, you're choosing smarter. Download the free guide below, and if you're ready to scale, grab the upgrade. And before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, and drop a comment below. Because the next step is waiting for you.